Hey guys, it's me, and I want to give Jewel the brown dog a bath, and my camera battery died when I already started recording, so now I'm just taking off her necklace thing. Okay, so now she has all her stuff off. I'm just going to put it right here. And I've never really, I've gave my Webkins with the fuzzy fur a bath before, but their fur turned out weird. So I'm just going to try this again, because last time I did it wrong, but I'm going to try again. Okay, I feel really uncomfortable doing this because I've never gave my brown dog a bath before. I'm nervous. Okay. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh. The water's so cold. Aww. She looks like emo. Yeah, she's really dirty. That's why I thought I could give her a bath. Oh my gosh. It looks like she actually has hair. She's so cute. And now my camera's wet. Okay. So, yeah, let me dry off the camera. Okay. So, oh my gosh, she's so adorable. I'm gonna air dry her instead of putting her in the dryer. Aww, she's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna add the bubbles. Wait, okay. Okay, hold on. Maybe I can wait, hold on. Close this. Okay. So I'm just, she looks like she's dead. Aww, she's so cute. Aww. Whee! I don't want to make a big splash because this isn't outside. Okay, so I guess that's that, and now I'm going to squeeze her out. For some reason, the water always goes to their snout, or right here, or their tail. It depends what tail they have, but not really the brown dogs, I'm guessing. Okay, so I guess this is a how to give your Webkins brown dog a bath. So what you do is you squeeze out all the water, as much water as you can. And then after you do that, oh my gosh, that water is disgusting. It's all yellow. Here, I'll show you. I'll let her dry off. Let me, hold on. Oh, that is disgusting. It looks clean, but it's actually all yellow and it has all this dirt in it. That's really gross. Ew. So now she's all clean. Okay. So while I was doing that, what you do is you just sit them on a towel. I'll let her have this green one. And what you do is you lay it out. Okay. And then you fix their fur how it was before, because you don't want it to be all crazy looking. I'm going to use a hairbrush. Sorry, this video is mega long. I'll have to end it soon. then after you like fix their fur, you set them like that, and you wrap them up in the blanket like a little baby, just to like dry them out more. Okay, hold on. Looks like she's like dead. Okay, sorry. My camera battery ran out of minutes, so I just had to like delete a video that I wasn't gonna upload, and she looks adorable. Okay, so yeah, so you wrap them up in a blanket, and then so let's take her outside. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, that's enough with her wrapped in a blanket. Okay. So now, like, when you take them outside, she won't drip everywhere. Okay.
Can I get my blankie?
Blue's Clues. Here you go. Okay. And then, so now we're outside. And I'm going to fix her fur again because I really don't want her fur to get messed up. Because, Kafira, my lioness, her head, like, her forehead fur got messed up because I didn't do it right. And I don't want my brown dog's fur to get messed up. Okay. So, then we have it like, hey guys, it's me. And I gave Jewel a bath, and I want to see if she's dry yet. No, she's not dry. Yeah, she's still really wet. Like, yeah, she's more dry than she was. So I guess since she's been drying for about like 2 hours and she still hasn't dried, I'm just going to throw her in the dryer. So yeah, bye. Oh my gosh.